Hey, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. I just wanted to show you something here. So here we are in your funnels here, or your account. So if you see these padlocks here, this shows that your SSL, so your security certificate, is not set. Okay, so you need to verify, not verify, but you need to. So you need to come here and set up your SSL. Okay, you'll need to add the SSL for all three of your domains here. Okay, so when this is not secured, when your website domain is open on its main page, it will distort the format, so it will look all crazy. It won't be in order. Okay, so what you're describing is that your opt-in page, after being designed and linked, the URL is not rendering properly and is all distorted everywhere. So that is exactly due to your SSL. Okay, so you'll need to go ahead and for each one of these, like I said, and just go in, come to your SSL, okay, and add that and go through that process. Okay, and then I also wanted to mention, so if you come here, if you just click this wherever you are in your account, go ahead and click here. It's going to bring you back to your dashboard. Okay, and right here are your affiliate tools. Okay, so anything regarding your affiliate program or anything like that, if you're signed up or not signed up, this is where you're going to come to do that. Okay, so you're going to go through here, and then whatever selection that you want to go through, you're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, log into your dashboard. Yeah, so once you log into your dashboard, let's see if you got. Okay, so there you go. So there's your dashboard where you log in. You can go through here and you get all your updated information. You can go to your tools here and get your links. Okay. All right. So this was in response to your question. I want to make sure that I would be paid for my promotions before I start to promote it, and I'm not getting paid. Okay. So now when it comes to getting paid for your affiliate stuff, that's this right here. So you'll need to go ahead and click this link and make sure you go ahead and fill out that proper information, the tax information, all that. Otherwise, there's not going to be any payments going to be processing. Once you do this, once you initially set this up, you go through and fill it all out and submit it. That's going to start the process, okay? And don't worry, whatever commissions that you get, you will be getting paid for it, okay? All right. All right, thanks. And I will send you a link on regarding the affiliate stuff, okay? All right, thanks. All right, bye.